In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a package from AppExchange in Salesforce if you're looking to enhance your Salesforce experience with additional functionalities. Salesforce AppExchange is your go-to marketplace, a place where enterprises can find, evaluate, and install applications that help solve complex business challenges with ease. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of installing a package from AppExchange. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Salesforce AppExchange, which is essentially the leading enterprise cloud marketplace. From here, you'll be presented with a host of applications and solutions tailored for Salesforce environments. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as understanding where things are will significantly aid in your navigation. Now, to get into the thick of things, click on AppExchange. This section of the site is crucial as it houses all the applications you might need. Whether you're looking for something specific or just browsing, knowing how to navigate this space can significantly increase your productivity. Next, it's time to choose an application. Depending on your business requirements, this might be a quick process or require more research. Spend some time to read through the application descriptions and user reviews to ensure you've selected the right tool for your needs. This step is all about due diligence, so don't rush through it. Once you've settled on a suitable application, click on it to learn more details. This is where you'll find comprehensive information about what the application does, its pricing, and any additional features it might come packed with. Familiarizing yourself with this information will aid in a smoother installation and integration process. Now, with your chosen application open, locate and click on Get It Now. This button typically stands out to guide users effortlessly towards installation. Upon clicking, you may be prompted to log into your Salesforce account if you haven't already. Ensure your credentials are correctly entered to avoid any hiccups. Following the Get It Now prompt, you'll notice an option to click on Highlight. This serves as an indicator to proceed with the installation by drawing attention to the key steps involved. It's a pivotal moment in the process, so pay close attention here. Finally, once you've completed the necessary actions as guided by Highlight, proceed by clicking Done. This marks the completion of the installation process, and at this point, your selected application should be integrated into your Salesforce environment, ready for you to explore and utilize. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully installed a package from Salesforce AppExchange, adding valuable tools to your Salesforce arsenal. Remember, each app on AppExchange is designed to uplift your enterprise capabilities, so make full use of all available resources. Happy Salesforce exploring!